Hi there, my name is Samaya Gonzalez. This is my Week 5 Multimedia Screencast presentation for MPA 510, History and Theory of Public Administration. In this week's presentation, I'll be discussing how to locate an article, identify search engine and database used, and then conclude my presentation. Before identifying or looking for an article, I found this great metrics to help me lay out the various theorists that we've learned over the course of 5 weeks. On this side, you have Weber, Taylor, Gulick, and then the associating theorists that had similarities with what the main theorist said. So I found this to be helpful to build upon my report or writing for this week because I wanted the writing to be more cohesive with an overall concept across the board. Locating an article. Go to Google, type in www.scholar.google.com. Click on the link once it's available. Click on Google Scholar and begin your search. For this presentation, I'll be looking up the article for Mary Parker Follett. First, add a quotation and type Mary Parker Follett, close with a quotation, and this allows you to only capture information associated with Mary Parker Follett, and then type in the article that we discussed in class, giving orders. Once giving orders or the full title of the article has been typed in, click on Search and begin to look for the journal that interests you. For the purposes of this presentation, I've scrolled down and I know the article that I'm interested in is on the second page, and it is called Taylor's Triangle and Follett's Web. Click on the link and the journal article will pop up. Click on Read and Download. Enter the university, which is California Baptist University. Once the hyperlink is available, click on the hyperlink. And now you're able to download the file. Click on Download PDF. Your PDF is saved. Once your PDF is visible, click Go Back. And what I liked about going to this particular journal review is that it gives you the ability to cite this item. Click on Cite this item. And underneath APA, this will give you the proper citation for this week's paper. You can copy and paste. The reason for me choosing this article is based off of the opening of the abstract down towards the middle where it says, in contrast to Taylor's focus on engineering workers' performance, Follett focused on the webs that connected workers to one another and to management. This concludes my presentation. Thanks for watching.